Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I had told you about function arguments in Python. Today we are discussing about Python variable scope. Whether you are beginner or brushing up for an interview, this will be super useful. So let's dive in. So here first thing first, what does scope even mean? In Python, scope refers to the area of your code where a variable is visible and can be used, okay? And it basically defines where that variable exists and where it doesn't. Okay, so these are the types of scope. There are four types of scope in Python, and they follow what's called the LEGP rule. L for local, E for enclosing, G for global, and B for built-in. Okay, this is the order Python checks when it tries to find a variable. So let's talk about with local scope inside a function that is called local scope. Okay, so let's talk about example of these. This is the example of local scope. Let's open your editor. I'm using here Visual Studio Code. So I'm writing here function def my function and just write it here x is equal to 10 and print this x value. Okay. So here x only exists inside my function. You can't access it from outside. Once the function finished, the variable is gone. Okay. So this is the local scope variable. Next, global scope example. Now, if you define a variable outside any function like this, I'm writing here x is equal to 5 and def myfn. I'm print this x value, so I'm writing here print x. So this is the global variable. You can use it inside functions unless you reassign it. Okay, so this is called a global scope variable. If you have any query, then you can ask in the comment section below. Next, enclosing scope, which comes into play when you have nested functions. Okay, when you have multiple functions, nested functions. So let's open an editor. I'm writing here def outer and just write it here x is equal to outer, and inside this function I'm writing here another function, another inner function that is called, let's suppose, inner, def inner, and just write it here print x. Okay, and just write it here inner, which is inner function. Okay, here inner can access x from the outer function. That's the enclosing scope. Next, built-in scope. Finally, we have built-in scope. These are variables or functions built into Python like print, len, and range. It's good idea to avoid using these names for your own variable, like naming a variable list or str. It can lead to bugs. Okay. Next, the global keyword. If you want to modify a global variable inside a function, you need the global keyword like this. Okay, so I'm writing here x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, def modify, and after that global keyword x, x is equal to 5. Okay, here I'm assigning here x is a global variable. Okay, so without global, Python would treat x as a local variable inside modify. We have to define global for globally accessing this element, this variable. Okay, so next, the non-local keyword. Similarly, non-local is used to modify variables from an enclosing non-global scope like this. So I'm writing here def outer x is equal to hello, and just write here another function. So I'm writing here def inner, and after that non-local keyword, and after that x, and let's reassign x values. So I'm writing here x is equal to world, and just write it here inner and print this x value. So I'm writing here print x. Okay, so here this will print world because non-local tells Python to use the x from the outer function. This is all about Python variable scope. Okay, so here are some tips. Use local variable whenever possible. Be careful with global variables, they can make debugging harder. Okay, and understand the LEGB rule, and use global and non-local only when necessary, and that's it. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick Python tips. If you have any query related to this, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.